and welcome to my channel. I'm going to be drawing a bit. There's a monitor right here. Let me move that out of the way. That was awkward. I'm thinking about robots and Ina and demons and dragons. Not dragons anymore, but still demons. And I'm thinking about these things while I draw. And I'm also thinking about the song Buddy Hollow by Weezers. The one that goes da 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 da, that one. I'm also thinking about that. Also thinking about FNAF and camp. I'm also thinking about movies. I don't know how I'm thinking about movies, but I'm thinking about movies. And that's about it. That's everything I'm thinking about. So I hope that helps with what I'm drawing. I have to put my hand around this pole. I don't know if you can see this pole, but there's a pole right here. Oh, it's a thing you're standing on. Okay, let's think about FNAF first of all. FNAF stands for Five Nights at Freddy's. And this is, look at this. Look how pretty that is. That's not what we're going to focus on right now. Look at this. This is cute. But that's not what we're going to focus on right now. And this thing is really cool.
Oh my God.
Inside there is a locked-in hand cream. That is pretty cool. I didn't even know that existed here. But it is. And now to think about, oh my God, that just made the entire room smell weird. Also think about the bad guys. The wolf from the bad guys. That wolf is one sexy wolf. It makes me think about Nick Wilde. Now I'm thinking about Utopia. Now I'm thinking about children movies. But let's go back to FNAF. Let me write here so I can don't forget about it. I wanted the N to be capital. Like, I think it looks best when it's written like that. I don't know why. Because I feel like you need to make sure people don't confuse with FNAF. FNAF, I need to just undercount because FNAF makes me think, oh, you can't see what I'm doing, sorry. This is what I'm saying. FNAF makes me think about Osu, like losers and stuff like that. But FNAF, that makes me think. I honestly, unpopular opinion, I do not like the vibe of the newer games. I like the vibe of the older games. The jump scares are more scary. Has anybody noticed that? I feel like nobody has noticed that. But the jump scares in the newer games are more annoying. Like the more, oh damn it, I lost. Then that was scary. And for some reason, I don't know why everyone is so like interested in FNAF. Like, I don't know how to describe it, but like I actually do not know why people are interested in FNAF, because to me it's just a story, you know, it's just a story, it's a bit interesting. It's also why it's the same confusion as why I'm confused on why people like Ina so much. Like, you know, it's like she's just a thing. And everyone draws her and makes her their profile picture. Like, she's cool to draw. This is actually inspired by, you know, like, that's about it. Like, the lore, like, it's cool, but like, why does everyone like it so much? Like, I understand like a small community of people liking it, but they like it a lot. Like, they like it to the amount that like it's weird to me. Like, why do you like it then? And right now I'm just drawing Old Bunny. I only know the first year. I know people who play a lot of FNAF. I don't even know how they know this much about FNAF. You know, it's like, okay, I'm just gonna say this is not FNAF because it's inspired. Just say that because I don't know how people know so much. Whenever I have to do anything about FNAF, like, I think about a character and I draw them down, there's always someone saying something like, but that's like Withered Bunny in like her nightmare demon alpha form, so I'm mad at you. And like, I don't understand because what the hell? It's just a bunny. Why do you know so much about a bunny? What are you even doing with your life? Like, calm down. Do you even have a family? Like, I don't know what they're trying to do. Like, this is just a bunny. I don't know how to make it look dirty. You know how it's like dirty? It's a dirty bunny, dirty sad bunny, dirty emo bunny. I don't know how to make it look like that. We can try. We can try to do that. Oh my god, I forgot eyebrows. I can't like talk quickly while I draw. As I said, lose focus. This is just a bunny now. It's not even related to FNAF at this point. I need to make it look more evil. Oh my, you know what I always do? I always try to make it look more evil by like making the top eye like lower. And by doing that, I just make it look really dumb. I bet I have an example somewhere where I did that. I did just that, my lad. And then it looked dumb. And it looked stupid. This one kind of shows you what I'm talking about. This. Also, I was drawing this on a car, so that's why she looks so stupid compared to all my other drawings. Because I drew like really, I can't move it here because of the dumb pole. That one, this one here. Oh my god, the blanket just fell off my legs and now I'm cold again. Whoa. Yeah. If you hear someone in the background playing video games, that's my sister. And I'm thinking about hair, but I don't know how to do hair because it's hair. And this isn't even related to FNAF at all at this point. It's just a bunny girl. But she looks evil. Evil bunny clown. I think bunnies are undeniably the best animal. Bunnies and ducks.
I think bunnies are way too submissive.
Valerie.
Like as an animal,
Valerie.
way too submissive.
You know what is way too submissive an animal? Tigers.
Tigers are not submissive.
They look.
Tigers are.
No, have you seen them?
Yeah.
No, if you Google like tigers and like you look at it and you actually like look at it, like you don't just look at it, like you actually like really dig deep.
Well, that's your fault for digging deep.
I'm not. You know that one scene in Zootopia with the tigers? The tigers dancing around the Giselle?
No.
That made me look at tigers differently. But I'm saying Giselle because your friend's name is Giselle. I'm being cultural. Yeah. What is this bunny not even look creepy? I can't focus when I'm talking this much, you know. Over here, let's draw. And now I'm thinking about Genshin because I watched Valerie play Genshin. Like a loser.
Tell me the Genshin lore.
Guys, shut up. Nobody wants to know about the Genshin lore.
Genshin has such pog lore.
No
cap!
The FNAF lore to me is not that interesting because like it just isn't. It's just too complicated. You have to spend hours into it and it just, why can't you just see it as a really cool point and click horror game and then like not have to be in a fandom? Like why can't you just play it without turning into FNAF kid? Because every single person I met that played the game, they turned into an FNAF kid after like game 3. Like maybe that you suck so bad. I saw that. I saw you lacking. I played the game free. I did not rapidly turn into a gacha user because I was already a gacha user.
Lord.
Also, why do superheroes, you know, like exist? Oh my god, I just had like a really cool superhero costume idea. I feel like all superhero costumes are always the same because they're always like just tight things that cover all of your skin, so they obviously look really uncomfortable, and they always just have like 1 or 2 lines on it with like their icon, and I feel like it's very boring. And I'm gonna redraw this, but like actually pay attention to the drawing and not just talk. I'm gonna give her an axe. I love axes. Axes are the best weapon. Of all the weapons, if you don't like axes, do you even like anything?
You know I'm trying to get a venti.
Wait, can you wish in front of me, Valerie? I want to watch you.